Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing fine. Now today, let's learn about another command in the path modeling environment of the SolidWorks. And the command is inside this linear pattern, which is chord-driven pattern. So if you want to make any pattern or any shape in a given curve or a given specified line or a given specified area, then you can use this command. So I'll teach you how to use. Now let's start to sketch one rectangle. First of all, let's select a plane and sketch a rectangle like this. Now go to features and extrude it. Click on OK. I'm making it normal. So make a object or a sketch what you need to make a pattern of. So I'm making this circle. Click on OK. Extrude. This is looking like this. I'm increasing. Guys, one of my friend has asked me one question that he cannot use or he cannot give the different thickness, like the thickness in this and for this rectangle and for this circle he cannot give different thickness. So guys, if you draw this both in single figure or in a single sketch, then you have to give a constant thickness, so you can't give different or variable thickness. So if you want to give or if you need a variable thickness, then you need to create a two image or two sketch. So our first sketch is this one rectangle, which I have given the thickness of 10, and the second sketch is our this circle, so which I have given the thickness of 20. So if you need to create a images or a sketch or a part drawing with thickness, then you need to create two different figure or two different sketch. So I want to make this pattern, so let's come back to our this and let's make pattern. So our this today is chord driven pattern. So in the curve driven pattern, what happens is, you can see in the image also it is showing like this curve. So we need one curve to specify where the pattern should lie or where this circle should lie. So let's go to spline and create one curve like this. I'm creating a hole like this. I don't want that to go outside. Okay, I'm creating like this and again came. Okay, for example, I need this pattern in this curve, so I'm decreasing it a bit like this. Anything. Okay, this is fine, I guess. Now I need this curve, I need this image in this curve. So what can I do is, first of all I have to come back from the sketch environment. So we have one profile and we have one path in which we are using the chord driven pattern. So that I'm going to features, inside linear pattern you can find chord driven pattern. Select that. In the first column you need a direction, so pattern direction. So in pattern direction select this one, pattern direction, and how many you need instances. For example, okay, I need 5 so that come down, and here in the features and faces you can click here and select this face. After that you can see the preview is on the curve only. So this is going out, as I am not given exact dimension, it is going out, so I'm making as a 4 and 3. You can see how it changes. If you give an increasing 5 6 7, then it will be more in the line. So I'm making a 10 and clicking on OK. So you can see this circle we have created is exactly on the face of this, or is exactly following this curve as we have drawn. If you need some way to make like this, then you don't need to waste any time by creating individual circle and individual figure. You can directly select a curve and give, first of all you have to give curve a dimension. After giving dimension you can go to features command manager, then inside features you can find curve driven pattern. After that you can find sketch driven pattern also. We'll see this later. So hope you understood this, and thank you for watching.